Well, welcome back. We are on week 6, our final week of my sharing with you how to treat yourself like a queen every single day. I hope that you are enjoying this series. I hope that you are treating yourself like a queen every day and allowing you to remember some of the things that you actually love to do, and prompting you to start treating yourself, indulging a little bit more and giving yourself a little more time with yourself. And I'm not going to go on and on and on. I do, however, want you to subscribe if you have not. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you have enjoyed this series. Let me know if you are going to do any of these things, or if you've just been reminded on how to do some of the things that you love so much to do. Let's get started. Look, make sure you watch until the end. This week I'm going to do a giveaway, and I'm going to give you all of the details at the end of this week's video. So I've shared that plants are so therapeutic for me, and I love strolling through a gardening center and just looking at all the beautiful plants and deciding which plant to bring home. Do you like artificial plants or live plants? Let me know in the comments section. But try strolling through a plant store and bring a few home. So recently I had a really unexpected surgery, and my doc said you'll be out for 6 to 12 weeks. And I thought, oh no. And she said, you can't clean, you can't drive, you can't cook, you can only take short walks. And for several weeks, my husband has been cooking for me, and I have just, oh my God, I love him so much. But cooking, I'm a foodie. I am a foodie. I need to cook. That one, I just kind of, I dealt with it as long as I could. More on that later. But take advantage of online shopping, maid service, Uber. Let someone else do it. Thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you, Lord. Ooh, thank you, Lord. Oh, I just want to thank you. Just want to thank you. I just want to thank you, Lord. So I really did try as long as I could to stay out of my kitchen, and I really enjoyed everything that my husband was cooking. But when you're a foodie and when you love to cook, it's just hard to sit back and let somebody else cook for you and you not do anything. I enjoyed every moment of it, but I could not wait to get back into my kitchen to try something new. So here is what I did, and I'm going to stop talking and just let you watch and enjoy the recipe be inspired yourself, hopefully you will try this dish. It turned out amazing. So, now that we are wrapping up the series, here's what I want to do. Because I really want you to begin experiencing some of these things that I've shared with you, or just even if it's nothing that I've shared with you, something that you actually want to do for yourself. I am going to select someone from the comments section randomly, and I am going to give a gift card towards an experience so that you too have no excuses to treat yourself like a queen every single day. And I will announce the winner in my very next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon.